Hey guys, what's up? It's Ty here with Soles and Suds. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your soles. So these are stained soles, dirty soles, whatever they are, let's get right into it. And this is one of my most straightforward tutorials. All you need is to invest in a good brush and some sneaker cleaner. I'm using Shoe Doc today. There's Reshoevn8r, Angelus cleaner, really any sneaker cleaner works. Just make sure you have the sneaker cleaner, pump that onto the shoe, and then start brushing. It is so easy, it's so simple, literally just brush the entire shoe. Most of the stains on the shoes are just surface, so I'm going to wash the whole shoe off. It's going to get most of it off. If there is some more stains, you want to get one of these brushes. It's a handheld, really stiff bristle brush, and you're just going to brush right on that stitching. That stitching, it's not going to get damaged. You just brush it with this super stiff brush. Any brush like that, if it's a brass bristle brush or if it's a hard bristle brush, it will work. You will get majority of the stains out. It's gonna break away that gunk and that dirt. Now after rinsing these shoes off with just cold water, you can see the results. They look so much better. It really only took me about 5 minutes. Sneaker cleaning is not hard as long as you know what you're doing. These materials are super easy to clean. If there's any questions, please let me know down below. Thank you for watching and catch you on the next one.